This is all for protection, you know. They said thank you or you while they're ready. It's protection for your skin, or it's send protection for your skin, like this. So they said if you got not too long arm, you can go small, but it got kind of longer arms, you can do medium or large even. But I tried small, but I think a little bit tight for me, the band of the thing here. But I really like the design. Again, it's roses. It's nice to protect the sun, and a lot of reviews and even the owner said it's a really nice cooling in your skin, and no more itches and no more bites when you do gardening, you know. So I want like that to protect in my skin. So again, I ordered another one here, and then this one to protect also my skin. It's a size or medium size, I get. It's a really good brand. Like it's a blue rain bird. See, this is what it look like. I think you can use your phone thing to open it, I think. So that's it, small and medium. And this for my hair, for my hat, to protect my hat and the back of my hat, of the back of my neck, sorry. This one here. Let's go. You can do it when windy. Yep. And also got this. They got different color, but the only available is black. I really love the color like blue or navy blue, but anyway. And then this one, if you want your hair to get out, to get more area, of course you can do that. And then really good like this because it's protect your back of your neck, you know, because I end up always sunburn with that. So I got this. Although I got normal hat, but I like this hat. Protect me from the sun if I do gardening. Not every day, but whenever I got time. That one there. And then this one for the arm to protect. And also I got another. I think I ordered two actually. Yeah, I ordered two here. There's a butterfly here. Let me check it, guys. See the butterfly design. I think I order again small. I should have tried one small and one medium high, but I think maybe I could just keep it body, put it back online, so I get both medium or small size. But next time when the thing in my list is coming, I'll probably get medium size this time because I'll get too small. So yes. Alright guys, see the one it is with the arm, other one is just plain, bit longer than others though.